Guys, I am in the village with my village head. Did you guys see that? We are cooking with unko. Hey, I dinku esi akwa. Let me turn this around so I'll show you guys everything. I forget.
Yes.
Na village.
Table Guaragaka.
Only for one.
I na kwede ka ife anyị ejizi wee na-ewe mi na nke a n'ime. Ọ mma ka nji. Ede. Ngo wepụtazi aka. Ede for bitter leaf soup. Oh, this is local grinder. If I order this one, local blender, local machine for blending ede. Ede blender. Only ya fry na buy na blend ede. Ede blender. I now want ede. What is ede called? You know, cocoyam. Yeah. Put the plate well. It's not cocoyam for bitter leaf soup. That's a lot of bitter leaf soup that we are making here. Look at that. Ede, cocoyam. Hey, si onubo. You guys know what this is called? In those days when I was growing up, let me tell you guys something. When I was growing up, after arocha onugbo like this, enye mama nye papa ata and oga ha cancer adiro.
No.
You want to go onwezo onye na ata onugbo. Ndị mmadụ ahazi ata onugbo. Ta ncha ta all these things. If I na-elizi ụsọ ife oyibo, you want to go indomie ife enweghị isi. Esigo nke a n'ọkụ. Ha, nke ndụ ka nchọ ịta no. Chika. Ma pot aka ife na-esi. Akwụ n'isi okporoko. Look, let me show you guys the firewood. This is firewood. Akwụ isi okporoko. We are making lots of onugbu soup. Local. Kana top pieces. And then during the time of if any bazaar ji atọ iche maka na na-esi na nkụ rice bazaar. If I why this is our own pet. You guys have dogs. We have ewu, goat. Give me in a pot on that. Hey, I want to. Bia ku yelum kan fogi. Me yelum a cho me fogi. Hey, my mother-in-law cooks ogili. Oh, this is the ogili. Ogili just your phone. I can see. Hey, you guys don't know what you are missing. Oh, fine, Ogasia. Oh, Nena, yo, we are cooking in the village. The best food, the food you prepare with firewood is the best. Chikokwe. The best. The bitter leaf is cooking. Nekwa aka ibiko. Ewo.